Whoa, he's leaving a mess all over my desktop. It's disgusting. Buddy just stole my cursor. What is going on? Alrighty, so recently I wanted to install some apps on my MacBook that were just simply fun, engaging, with no real purpose other than just to be simply adding enjoyable features to my MacBook. But instead of going through online and trying to find all of these apps myself, I was like, hey, you know what? Why don't I have Claude install these apps on my behalf and then I react to them live and see what happens? So that's exactly what I did. Claude went online, found 10 apps. It built a script for me to download them. So let's go ahead and see what happens. It made a folder for me called blind picks. So let's take a look at this. I'm not exactly sure how Claude set this up specifically. I think these are just commands that I run and then things will happen. I'm not too sure because I didn't want to overly read what Claude was actually doing because, well, that would spoil the fun, right? So I'm just going to click on this and see what happens. Okay, process completed. Googly eyes menu bar item did not appear. Okay, so I guess maybe go into settings. Maybe I just have to, oh, whoa, look at that. We got a little googly eye up there. That's kind of fun. Okay, we can change the eye size. Okay, that's quite large. Very cool. Oh, I guess when you click, it closes the eyes. That's kind of fun. Very cool. All right. Well, I suppose that's not bad for the first app. Now, what about the second one? Double click. Process. Okay. Thok. We got a FanDuel online casino ad. Exceptional. Love to see it. Mechanical keyboard sound playground. So we got MX Blue. So I guess if we type, we're going to hear some things. I don't hear anything. Okay. Type with Thoki. Every keystroke thoks in any app. Okay. So we got to grant some permissions. Okay, well, maybe we got to go into system settings and tweak some things. Maybe in keyboard? Okay. Well, it's not in there. Maybe under privacy and security? Okay, so it's got to be under privacy. And I think it's under a keyboard. Or at least that's what the app is telling me. Input no, it's not under there. Okay, well, maybe if we just restart the app, that might help. So let's open Thoki again and see if we get any sounds. Oh, we got stuff now. Okay, so it only works when I actually type on here. So if I type on my keyboard, nothing happens. But why? I am not understanding. No, of course that wouldn't work, right? I'm not adding a keyboard. So what is the issue then? It seems like I have to go into system settings, go into privacy, wherever that is. There it is. And then it is actually in input monitoring, but I have to add it. Give my password. Let's look up Thoki. There it is. Open. Quit and reopen. Okay. Now this should work. So if I open it now, we'll try typing. Nothing. I don't know. Maybe I have to like open an app. Okay, let's open Obsidian and then try typing now. I am still not hearing anything. Well, I hear it when I press there. I don't understand. Okay, you know what? Let's just move on to the next one. We'll skip that and come back. So let's go to the third one. Run this command. Whoa, is that just a running cat? Interesting. Well, that shows my local IP, so I'm gonna have to hide that. But I guess this shows my resources, and it shows based on how demanding the resources are right now. So I'm assuming if I open something that was really resource intensive, that would make the cat run faster, I think. So why don't I try opening something like Adobe? Okay, cat ran a little bit faster, but it was nothing crazy. Why don't I open my last project and see what happens? Oh yeah, Buddy's running real fast now. Well, that's actually kind of cool, I guess. Well, I suppose that's a lot funnier than what we got over here. All right, nice simple one. It just works, right? Unlike the Thoki keyboard. Let's go to number 4. Okay. We got a lot going on now. Open system preferences, do some stuff in here. So it's, okay. So how do I give you permissions? I'm assuming this is gonna be input monitoring. Give my password again. Add, what is this called? Bongo cat. Bongo, there we are. Open, quit and reopen. Okay, so I just added in here then. Bongo, open, all right. So that should work, I hope. Next. Oh my goodness. Check again. All right, next. Sure. Check status. Does not matter. Let's get out of there. That doesn't matter. Let's do top left corner, I guess. Sure. How to use Bongo Cat. Menu bar icon. Okay. Right click the cat. Okay. Stroke counter. All right, that's a little sus. Next. Next. Get started. Okay, what do you do? What? What? But what do you do? That's it? You just smack my apps? That's it? That's all you do? Why do you keep teleporting? I don't understand. I don't get it. So wait, does this just count the number of strokes and clicks I have? What the hell? Let's look at the settings. Scale. Let's make you a little bit bigger. Rotate cat. No thanks. Flip horizontally. Okay. Behavior. Interesting. Advanced. But what does it do? Does it just like... I don't get it. Maybe go into here. What the hell, man? So it just pats its paws when I click. All right. Well, I'm a little disappointed with that one. It was a little boring. So let's just quit Bongo Cat because I don't want that thing running around anymore. So number 5. Let's see what we got here. Select a cursor theme. Okay. Edit. Unnamed. Maybe add. Unknown. Whoa. Okay. Place source. Okay, go into desktop, blind pics, this folder, open. Can I select all of you and open? What the hell, bud? Edit? No. How do I like import file, import theme? Okay, here we go. Maybe go back. Okay, blind pics, import. Why can't I import you, buddy? Convert theme, maybe? Let's open these, convert, add to library, apply. Okay, I have a feeling that my mouse cursor settings might be affecting this. I have a suspicious feeling. So let's go to mouse, advanced. No, okay. What is it called on macOS? A pointer? Yes, okay. So let's go to normal, reset colors, get out of there. And now apply. Whoa, okay, now we got a Wii. We got a little Wii remote. Whoa, look at that. That's kind of cool, I suppose. Very interesting. I like that waiting icon though. That's kind of cool. A crosshair, huh? So if I open like a screenshot, oh, okay, that's just the normal basic one. I-beam. When would that apply? Okay, well, cursors are kind of cool, I guess. We got little Wii cursors. Sure. We'll leave it on. Why not? Let's go to number 6. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why do I got a bunch of animals on my screen right now? No thanks. Bro, what? What is going on here? El Dino? Unlock? No thank you. Free. Add to screen. Buddy, what? So these homies just chill with me? That's it? That's what they do? Slime? Alright, that's kind of cool, I suppose. Is this really it? That's all they do? What's interesting, I guess. Very bizarre. Very, very bizarre. I don't think I like this very much. This seems like really distracting, so I'm gonna turn you off. Not bad, I guess. Not bad. Let's go to number 7. Boom, boom. Welcome to Plash. Okay. Continue. Get started with Plash. But what does it do? Disable, add website. Interesting. Okay. I'm assuming this is the URL I'm supposed to use. Feed these in order. So grab you, copy, go into you, add website, URL, sure, add. Okay. Whoa. I got the Earth now. That's kind of cool. Get the app. No thank you. Oh, can't even do that. So what is this just showing like the wind on the planet? That's kind of bizarre. Browsing mode. Okay. Whoa. What the hell? I can even zoom in too. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Maybe the ocean. Whoa. Animate waves. This is so interesting. Oh my god, what is going on? I would be a little worried about this cook in my MacBook, but my cat up here is chilling. He's only doing a little brisk jog right now, so we're good. But I guess I can do a different website now. So let's turn that off. Okay, websites. Okay, done. Get out of there. Okay, whatever. Let's just go back here. Open up here. Go into here, copy that, boom, add website, bam, add. Whoa, 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 quality high, sure, max it out. Whoa, that is insane. Velocity diffusion, Crazy. Density diffusion. Got a little rave going on in here. This is awesome. Sun rays. Capture. Bloom. Intensity. Let's crank that up. This is so weird, man. Well, hey, I mean, that's something, I guess. Quit Plash. Get out of here. All right, time for the next one. Number 8. Let's see here. What else does the Claude have for me? Oh, we got the little Wii. Whoa, what is going on here? Interesting. This is like a TV retro terminal thing. Okay, maybe there's something I'm supposed to do in here. Let me go consult with Claude real quick. Okay, supposedly Claude wants me to run this command in my terminal. Let's see what happens. Okay then, bud. Alright, it was supposed to be this command. Add NC to the beginning of it. Oh my god, this is Star Wars. It's R2-D2 and C3PO. What? Is this the whole movie? Wow, this, okay. Oh, did I break something? I may have cooked something. Uh-oh. All right, we're back. We're back. That was a little sketchy. My Mac just completely stopped responding to me. All right, so let's move on to number 9. Welcome to Retro Mac. Okay, get started. Sure. Okay, well, I want to turn on the cursor one, but I'm gonna have to close the app that changed my cursor, and I don't even know what it's called. Gosh darn it. Would it be in here? No. Okay, well, where would I find it? Turn that on, give you my password, quit and reopen, close that, next, check. Okay, I will give you another permission. Boom, password, out of there, check okay, wicked. None of these, don't check. All right, now what? Click on you. Whoa, what happened here? I got like old blur lines. What the hell? Retro viewport? Whoa. Okay. Get out of there. Start here. Click the floating button. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Got it. Whoa. Snow leopard. Oh no. What? This is insane. Maybe I should close some of these apps first. Yeah, let's close some of those. Windows 98 on a Mac? What? This is insane. Oh, that opens Safari? Okay. What? This is so wild. Windows 7? Solitaire? Does it... What? This is so crazy. I can't believe this exists. 3D pinball? That was so loud. Holy. Oh my goodness. Doom? Whoa, look at this little guy. Oh, I killed him. Whoops. This is actually pretty crazy. I would have never expected this. So if I go into like system settings, does that change? No. So bizarre. TV tube? Wow, that was something. Okay, this is so weird. What? Okay, that is enough of that. Nothing broke, thankfully, wholly. That was a little sketchy. Alrighty, now for the final one, because I believe we did 9 just now, so I think we're on number 10. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, nothing happened. It is time to consult with the crab. Alrighty, so Claude supposedly fixed it, so we can run it again. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay. What is going on here? Buddy's leaving a mess all over my desktop. It's disgusting. Okay, well, what am I supposed to do here? What? Where did he even get this thing? I didn't draw that. What? Buddy just stole my cursor. What is going on? This is really it? This is all it is? He just brings memes to my desktop, and then steal my... Motherfucker.